Pelican's the global leader in the design and manufacture of high-performance protective cases. We also make advanced lighting solutions, temperature-controlled packaging, and a variety of robust gear for outdoor enthusiasts. We're located in Torrance, California, and have been since the inception of the company. This is our headquarters here in Torrance. We have a 200,000 square foot facility, and we actually manufacture a lot of our injection molded cases right on site here. Pelican products really have a great reputation in the marketplace for durability and protection. We build a lot of quality into our products and have really high performance expectations and standards for all the products that we produce.
Bulk trucks will deliver 40,000 pounds of plastic. We'll pump the plastic into a silo. The silo will hold about 80,000 pounds of material. From there, we use a vacuum blower to get the material from the silo to the machine. There's hoppers and blenders that are sitting right at every single injection molding machine. There we'll input the recipe, whether we're going to use a particular color, any kind of loading for blowing agent, pigment, and then the resin. That recipe is determined at the blender, and then the blender will drop in the right recipe into the injection barrel. We'll melt the plastic to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less, and then at that point we inject that molted plastic into the mold. Once the plastic is injected into the mold, we'll run cooled water at about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and we try to get the skin temperature of that part to about 150 degrees Fahrenheit. At that point, we can extract the part. Once the part is ready for extraction, the 3-axis or 6-axis robot will go into the press, pull it out. Once the work is done from the robot, it's delivered to the operator. The operator will then take the part, check it for defects. They'll put some pins in there to make sure the lid is attached to the bottom. If there's a trolley, they'll have to screw the trolley in place. They'll have to add a wheel assembly. There's a gasket to keep the case airtight underwater. There's a valve that allows the case to breathe. They have to install that. There's some side handles and end handles that they'll have to assemble. Sometimes there's some literature or foam set that goes inside. There's some sticker decals that are on the lid itself. Once all that is done, they'll put the product in a box, seal the box, and stack it onto a pallet. After we make our cases, the operator has to determine if it's a good case or a bad case. If it's a good case, it goes through the line. If it's a reject for whatever reason, cosmetic, short shot, flash, there's a lot of different reasons why that could be rejected. We put it in a different pile. We'll take that material, grind it up, and then filter it right back into the process. So all of the plastic that Pelican Products purchases is recycled. We'll make black cases out of any rejected part.
Pelican has a unique relationship with Motion Industries. We're kind of a supplier and a customer. So on the customer side, for our manufacturing facilities, we're buying all kinds of stuff through Motion.
My job is to keep the machines running, maintain high levels of efficiency. One important factor with that is make sure our vendors are reliable. When my machines go down, I need to be able to call a vendor. They need to have the spare part on the shelf. They need to deliver it quickly. And Motion does a great job to keep my machines running.